is warm. It's sunny, but it is almost always windy. So while it blows 25 knots on the reef, we explore the calmer waters of the mangroves in search of honey crabs. What's in there, Ali? How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
17, you think? It's a bit silly that we forgot to bring an esky to put our catch in.
crabs.
Good crab.
Good crab. Silly Daddy. Look where it's riding.
Hey, darling. Mummy's head got stuck. Where are they?
Maybe up that little creek.
Can you see them?
See one?
Ali, have a look. Can you find it?
Maybe it's in the
Is
bottom.
there one there? It's an ollie. Oh, okay. I see it. Good spotting.
Oh, Mummy better pull this one in.
Here's the master crabber at work. Struggling to pull it up. Couple of little ones. Whoa! One's a big crabby. Snippy snip. Only want a hug?
No. Too spicy.
Oh, he's too spiky.
Look, Ali, what's Mummy got?
Oh, it's a bit light, this one. Oh,
Whoa, another big one. There he is. Where's he going, Charlie?
Where's crabs going? He's going and stuck.
You don't bite your toes off. You and Daddy pick him up.
What's that noise? Watch out, crab. Here comes Daddy. Stupid crab. Come here, dear. Whee! Whee! Now we've run out of spots. I don't want to put them in there because I'll never get them in. The bucket's full.
Oh. We've got to stop catching crabs in. Put him, can't you put him in there? In that box there.
I'll never get it out.
You'll get him out. Put a stick in there, he'll grab hold of it. Hey? Oh, good job. Good job. Alright, it's coming. Wow! Oh, you got a little crab.
One baby one.
Good job.
Baby one.
Yeah, shall we throw him back?
Yes.
Alright,
Okay.
throw him back, hey?
Mommy, let's going home.
Yeah, we can go home in a minute. We've just got to finish getting the pots. How many crabs have we got so far? Do you know how many crabs?
Daddy.
Daddy, how many crabs?
5.
5. But we forgot to bring the esky to put them in. Oh yeah, I'm the winner, unless we get one more. Well, I'm the winner anyway, because I thought we'd get 5 and we got 5. That I get to eat the most crab. We've got one more pot to pick up. And we've got 5 crabs in the boat, but we forgot to bring the esky, didn't we?
Yes.
So where did we put them? We put them in the buckets and we put them in the gunnels and we put them on the floor.
Yes, Mommy.
You having fun, Ollie?
Yes.
Yeah? How many more pots have we got to get? One more. Last one. You going to pull it up? Okay. Maybe. Watch your toes, Ollie. Oh, he's climbing up. Daddy?
Spider crab. Spider crab. Spider crab.
A naughty crabby. Gonna eat your toes, Ollie. He's trying to get Daddy. Don't go in there, mate. We'll never get you out.
Oh, my toe.
Whoa. He ate Daddy's thong.
It's going to fit in there.
Yeah, he'll have to. Let me hop up. Good boy. Oh, I don't think he wants to go in there.
Daddy's going to get eaten out.
Good job. Oh, well, how are we going to get under this one? Oh, lay down, Ollie. Ugh.
Elliot, silly.
Whoa. What's happened, darling? What's happened to the boat? Hey? What's happened to the boat? Not working, is it? The fuel line came out. Oh, go the red. The old... Oh no.
Oh no.
Daddy used the insect repellent to get us going again. Good job, Daddy. Good job, Red. All right, hang on. I got to take this rope off of here. And we're off again. Yay, we fixed it. Daddy fixed it.
Go round.
All done?
Yeah. Make sure the crab doesn't climb out. Done with the seat.
Some in there. Some in here. I'm too scared to open that one because they're a bit bulging out. He's a bit cranky. Good night. Daddy's not very strong. Just break him all up. I'll give them a little smash before I cook them. So we're just getting them prepared early.
Here, got it. Not the yellow poo.